videoing some of this.
The dog is trying his best to bring the sheep back towards me. If the dog didn't bring the sheep back straight towards me, I would think there's something wrong with that sheep. It's difficult sheep. Sheep are they're maybe they're maybe not from as far. There's always a reason. The dog's going to try his best. They all wait for their own individual sounds to be given. They only go when their sound is given. Their individual whistle sounds.
Dogs you're talking about.
The dogs. He's not on sight yet, this dog. So there's a hole there. He's over here. Train the dog, the voice command, the first you're learning. It's all done close up. If you're teaching a young child to say between 5 and 16 years old, and he sat at the back of the class and you were trying to tell him how to add up, it would work. Work and by. It's all done close up. Speak to the dog. The dog automatically goes behind him. He directs him back towards him. Lie down. Voice command. Walk over. Don't know what you're doing. Lie down, Mark. Lie down. The dog's most important command is come back. Ollie, 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 Ollie. That means come back. Ollie, Ollie, get it, Ollie, Ollie. By saying the dog's voice command, they'll be to me, and adding a tune, they'll be to me. Voice and tune together, that whistle sound means right only to that dog. And stop. Different sound means left. So I said the voice command, welcome by, I add the tune, welcome by, you learn the whistle sound. It means left. It means left. Different sound. Right.
Oh my gosh.
Different sound. It's left. Stop there. It's left, man. It's left. Oh, you jump. Oh, no. Bring them up close. Circle the dog around them. We jump. Like him, like him. Limbo, limbo. Sit him, dogs ringed around the seat. Camera can put in front there.
Will the sheep lie down in the way?
The sheep are wild animals. You know, the sheep are respect the dog, and I train the dog to respect the sheep. Ollie, the sheep, I heard the sheep. I got this job 17 years ago. Ollie, Ollie, I've been here every single day in 17 years. I've dedicated my life to this. Ollie, 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 this is not a job. Ollie, I'm paid to do this work. This is my hobby. This is my hobby. Not only can dog bring sheep towards me, he can push the weight also. The right. Bill, 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 Bill. What? Go to left, go by. This dog here's left.